totally public, yeah.
We're here at the Pier House 16 Hotel in Clearwater Beach, Florida, and we just checked in. So I'm just giving you a little bit of a review on the bathroom and the whole hotel room. This is our 2 queen. We got AJ, Abby, and Adam that doesn't want to know what we have a balcony, and it's just overlooking, like, what is this, Adam?
Not the pier, the marina.
The marina?
It's Clearwater Bay, I guess you would call it. It's a marina. There's a few of them, but this is the one right by the main downtown beach area.
So just around the other way, around the corner there's the beach on the other side. We're just in the back. This is just the parking garage ramp to go down. But it's a nice little view from inside. And you can see a lot. I'm really excited. Tomorrow we're in the same hotel room. I'm sorry, the same hotel, but a different room tomorrow night. So this is our room, and we'll tell you how we like everything here in Clearwater later. I know tomorrow's Taco Tuesday for the taco, but
The coffee is not horrible.
It basically says Clearwater Beach, so we're like super close.
this is Clearwater Beach. It's right across the street.
On the beach, girl.
So we have got this bird here. I'm not for sure what it is. And the boys are fishing. And Abby and I are just hanging out here with the boys while they're fishing. There's AJ. Adam's down there a little bit. You can see him. And we've got a special treat coming through for Jessie. We've got the pirate ship. Oh, there's Abby. She's working on her iMovie. Special treat for Jessie. It's the pirate ship. You come to Clearwater, Florida, Jessie, and you can ride the pirate ship with your parents. Don't worry. It's hot outside, but see, there's some air-conditioned rooms in there. You can go inside and have air conditioning. And they have french fries on there, and chicken nuggets, and, and beer for Dad, yes. Air-conditioned room for you and little french fries. Oh, look at it, it's turning around.
The Pirate's Ransom, that's what it's called.
The Pirate's Ransom is what Abby said that it's called. We're getting ready to head out to sea. Arr, matey. And then we still got Aunt Bee right here. And the bird that just flew away. And he's flying to the pirate ship. He thinks they have some food for him. Nah, he's not. He's flying further away. Okay, so there's the pirate ship. And they're having lots of music. Grandma's got her feet right there with all the fish and stuff. Aunt Bee's right here. Oh my gosh, those are Aunt Bee's new shoes. She loves those shoes.
The water's so shallow right here.
Pirate ship come from over there. AJ said, see if you see a crab and he'll try to catch it. So there's G-Dad and AJ. Bunch of shops here in this little mini mall. Bunch of them. Abby and AJ are in there, and Adam and I are about ready to go in. And it's right across from the beach. Direct access right across the beach. We're here in Clearwater. Let's go in and see what the shop has to offer. They have everything. Sunglasses, bathing suits, surfboards, inner tubes. t-shirts. Buy free, get one free everywhere. We're gonna go this way because we didn't go over here yesterday. Some of these shirts you were talking about. So we'll look for a price tag on them.
20.
That's not bad. It's better. Right?
It's not.
These are 20. I got them at Dick's Sporting Goods. Buy one, get one 50% off, so I got two for 30. So I did a better deal. You want a tank top? They're $12.99. Find one.
Remember, check your receipt for more cash discounts.
This is basically just the guys section. And look right back there. It's Rider. Lots of t-shirts. Mostly, I believe, women's things up there. I think dresses and swimwear. Actually, on the other side over there might be the men's, because I know that side up there is all women's. And then lots of towels, sun lotion, lots of sunglasses. Jewelry, a bunch of things back here. There's our children. There's Abby and AJ. Hey, let's go. Show me what you found. Oh.
Let's see how our intros look.
It's a Segway gang. There's a whole gang of Segway guys down there. Check them out. There's 6 of them. I had a little trap out there, but that's the ones we got. Abby did pretty good. She got somewhere right up next to the shore.
I want to go to like some of the gem mines and shit they got here.